What's up, everybody? Welcome back to another episode of the Spice of Christ in your life. So I'm going to be doing a DIY, do it yourself, in case a lot of y'all don't know what that means. I do apologize, I haven't been doing my workout videos. I've been tied up with coaching, a lot of stuff. I ended up getting a little bit back into gaming, but that I'm throwing to the side. So I want to do a little DIY. God bless me with a camera. Got it very cheap. These run for a lot. I noticed when I bought it, the guy was saying it had trouble turning on. It turns out it's a little corroded. The camera's basically new. Another thing I want to mention is it does have sand because I took it to the beach, so I do need to clean it. Now, I've been watching videos, not my idea I came up with or anything, but they say to use vinegar first to clean it and then finish it off with some alcohol. So we're going to give that a shot, but you want to wear gloves. And we're going to put on the gloves. And I got 2 Q-tips. One for the vinegar and one for the alcohol. And you don't want to re-dip it, of course. So we're gonna put the gloves on, as you can see. Put the camera a little more that way. We're gonna put the other glove on. We're gonna give it a shot, see how it goes. Okay. We're gonna snap this off. You could hear it snap. We'll put that one over there. The alcohol, we'll just leave it like that. So we're gonna open up the compartment. And you can see there, it's right there, how corroded it is. And I noticed my batteries were not getting, and it wasn't helping any at the island. So, you know, with the sand and all that, and opening it and redoing it. So I'm gonna dip in one of the Q-tips over here. And we're gonna start putting it there. Looks like it's coming off little by little. I don't hear the bubbling. And that's supposed to be white vinegar too. I'm gonna clean it up. Smell the vinegar. I do have my AC blowing towards it because you don't want to be breathing in stuff you're not supposed to. So we're going to put this Q-tip over here. Actually, we'll dip it with the other side because this isn't vinegar I'm going to be using anyway. Unless for like acid and all of that. It looks like it's been cleaning it a bit. It's just me. Okay. Maybe I gotta pour some. I don't see the acid coming out. So let me put it down real fast. I'll pour some in the little cup right here, the lid. Is I don't want to get the batteries wet either. I don't want to mess with the camera, so I'll just pour a little bit. Oh yeah, there we go. Look at that. You can see it bubbling up. Let it soak in there for a bit. And right now I'll tilt it on. Still bubbling up. I should have took the batteries out. Yeah, let me see if I could take the batteries out. Make sure you take the batteries out first. These ain't even I didn't even put the same batteries. Luckily I have a brand new pair downstairs, so I'll just get rid of these. So we went ahead and did it with that. So we're gonna get rid of this Q-tip. Now we're gonna finish it off with some, they look nasty in there. I'm gonna finish it off with some alcohol now. The alcohol is supposed to like clean it up. Actually is taking some of that residue out. Let me switch the light over here. Somewhere in here just to clean it up a bit. Camera works good though, so I got no complaints about it. Just that it wasn't, like I said, it wasn't really taking up the batteries. Compared to the way it looked before, it looks way better. Might as well just clean up a bit here with alcohol. You can see there, it's way more better than what it was. Not like the other videos where they make it look like spanking brand new, but way better than what it was. And you don't have to worry about your hands getting dirty anymore. Just making sure. Make sure I absorb all of that with a Q-tip, and then I'll dry it later. I'll put in the new batteries and everything should be good to go. So there you go, folks. Thanks for watching. Y'all take care. God bless.